Most careers don't end with a dramatic firing. They die slowly, like plants left unwatered. And the scary part? The most people don't even notice until it's too late. Today, I will show you why the most careers silently fail and how to make yours unstoppable. Here's the first way careers quickly crash. Linear thinking in a non-linear world. People build careers like train tracks, one straight line. I will study this, get that job, stay safe. But the world doesn't move in straight lines. It zigzags, disrupts and takes sudden turns. Take Kodak. They thought film cameras would last forever. Employees believed their jobs were secure until digital cameras exploded overnight. Millions of people had to start over. Future-proof careers doesn't follow tracks. They follow flexible maps with multiple routes forward. Always be ready to pivot. That's how you survive disruptions. The second mistake is harder to spot, but it quickly destroys careers. Ignoring invisible skills. Most careers don't fail because of hard work. They fail because people ignore invisible skills. Skills like negotiating, managing energy, learning how to learn, or influencing others. These don't appear in job descriptions, but they determine who rises. Hard skills are easy to copy. Invisible skills, the human stuff, are what make you irreplaceable. Here's a story. Two engineers with the same coding ability applied for a promotion. One focused only on technical work. The other built the trust, communicated clearly, and inspired the team. The promotion didn't go to the better coder. It went to the one with invisible skills. The third silent killer, freezing your identity. Not updating your identity. Careers fail when people lock themselves into a single identity. Someone says, I'm an accountant, and 20 years later, they were still only an accountant, even though the world changes around them. Jobs evolve, industries transform. Identities must upgrade. Look at Nokia. They thought they were just a phone company. The people who survived realized they were in the communication business. If you define yourself too narrowly, your career becomes outdated before you even notice. The solution is keep learning, experimenting, and expanding what you can do. Your career grows as your identity grows. So, why do most careers fail? Linear thinking, ignoring invisible skills, and freezing your identity. If you flip those, stay flexible, master invisible skills, and evolve who you are, your career won't just survive, it will thrive. On this channel, we make you future-proof. Your career deserves more than survival. It deserves freedom. And if you want to see the specific skills that make you future-proof, check out our next video.